This video is about how to create a WhatsApp community. Now on WhatsApp, you need to tap this community tab here and start creating your community. You can also go to chats, then contacts and start creating your community. And as you can see, you need to enter your community name and then description, then also upload your community profile picture. And on this next screen, you need to add at least one WhatsApp group to your community, and you can always create one above here. And after that, your community will be ready, and you can go on to invite members or even add some more groups. And if you tap these three dots above here, you can enter to your community, manage and add groups, and also view and add or remove members. And if you go to chats, you can access your community and start chatting with your community members. And through these three dots, you can access all these options. And if you tap the community name above here, you can access the community as a group and find all these features and options. And if you tap the community icon, you'll be able to view your community. In addition, if you tap and hold on the community on the chat screen, you can also access other options. And if you want to exit your community, you'll need to deactivate the community. And you can also report your community to WhatsApp if you want to do so. And to create another WhatsApp community, you need to add a different WhatsApp group. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.